Hello friends. Today, we're checking out Amazon kitchen gadgets that are actually worth every penny. From time-saving choppers to smart storage solutions, these gadgets will upgrade your kitchen game and make cooking more enjoyable. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, these must-haves are all about convenience, quality, and practicality. Join me as we dive into the best Amazon finds that you won't regret adding to your kitchen. If you like the video, please subscribe and click the bell icon next to it to be the first to see our new videos. So friends, let's start the video. Next. Electric vegetable chopper. This time-saving chopper quickly dices, slices, and chops vegetables with ease, making meal prep a breeze. Its compact design fits any kitchen and simplifies cooking tasks, perfect for soups, salads, and more. Next. Kitchen steam cleaner. A powerful chemical-free steam cleaner designed to tackle grease and grime in the kitchen. With high-pressure steam, it effortlessly cleans countertops, stoves, and other surfaces for a sparkling kitchen. Next. Mini fridge. A portable, compact fridge ideal for keeping beverages and snacks chilled in small spaces. Perfect for dorms, offices, or bedrooms, it offers convenient cooling wherever you need it. Next. Omelet maker. An easy-to-use appliance that cooks fluffy, delicious omelets in minutes. With non-stick plates and compact design, it's perfect for quick breakfasts and hassle-free cleanup. Next. Smart AI refrigerator. An intelligent refrigerator with AI technology for organized storage and food tracking. It optimizes space, reduces waste, and offers innovative features for a modern kitchen experience. Next. Portable air cleaner. A sleek, efficient air purifier that removes allergens, dust, and odors, creating fresh, clean air in small spaces. Ideal for desks, bedrooms, or any room needing a breath of fresh air. Next. Compact oven. This versatile countertop oven bakes, broils, and toasts, perfect for small kitchens or quick meals. With multiple functions, it's ideal for everything from toast to baked meals. Next. Electric griddle. A flat, non-stick griddle for easy cooking of pancakes, eggs, and more. Its even heat distribution and spacious surface make breakfast prep faster and easier. Next. Automatic pot stirrer. A hands-free pot stirrer that keeps sauces and soups from sticking. Great for multitasking. It stirs automatically to ensure even cooking. Next. Jar vacuum sealer. A handy vacuum sealing tool for preserving foods in jars, keeping pantry items and leftovers fresh for longer. Perfect for meal prep and reducing waste. Next. Sensor trash can. A touchless trash can with motion sensors for hands-free use. It opens automatically for convenience and hygiene, making kitchen cleanup easier. Next. Electric herb grinder. A compact grinder that easily grinds fresh herbs and spices, enhancing your cooking with fresh flavors. Quick and easy, it's perfect for herb lovers. Next. Meat thermometer. A precise thermometer for checking internal temperatures of meat for safe and perfect cooking. Great for grilling, roasting, and barbecues. Next. Automatic pasta maker. This machine effortlessly mixes and extrudes pasta, letting you enjoy fresh, homemade noodles in minutes. Ideal for pasta lovers craving quick, delicious results. Next. Frozen treat maker. A fun appliance that turns frozen fruit into smooth, creamy desserts. Perfect for making healthy, refreshing treats at home without added sugars.